Introducing SmallRig, a versatile mount that can hold your iPhone in place while you record videos or take photos. The mount is made out of high-quality aluminum alloy, making it lightweight and durable. Easy-to-use design and variety of features make it a great choice for anyone looking to take their iPhone videography to the next level. The SmallRig comes with a cold shoe mount, allowing you to attach a microphone or LED light to enhance your footage. One of the best things about the SmallRig is that it has a 360-degree swivel ball head. This makes it easy to adjust your iPhone's position, whether you're shooting in landscape or portrait mode. Another great feature of the SmallRig is that it has a rubber pad that keeps your iPhone from slipping or getting scratched. This ensures that your phone stays in place while you're filming, even if you're moving around a lot.